Hello and welcome to Start of Such classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on general intelligence. As we know that general intelligence is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and the only way to score high in this portion is practicing different type of questions. So you can practice the previous year questions, and together with you also can there are so many materials available online. You also can grab them and practice them. Okay, there are different type of questions in general intelligence. You need to know all of them to score a presentable marks, and you need to know all the tricks to solve such questions in faster way. So let's see the first question. In the question given below, select the missing number or letter from the given responses. So here we are given some numbers in row and columns, basically in a matrix form, and we need to find the missing number. So basically, to find the missing number, first of all we have to find a pattern inherent in these numbers. So let's see first column, 49, 9, 81 and 19. Okay, now as we can see that 49 is the square root of 49 is 7, the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 81 is 9, and if we add all of these we get 19. Now this must be a pattern, but we must check that whether this pattern is followed by other columns or not. So as the missing number is in the second column, first of all we check the third one. So here 64, 4 and 25 all are square of some numbers, like 64 is square of 8, 4 is square of 2, 25 is square of 5. If we add these numbers we get 15. So we are now sure that this pattern inherent in all the columns. Therefore if we apply this pattern in the second one, then we get the missing value. Now in the second column we have 100, 36 and 1. Now 100 is square of 10, 36 is square of 6, and 1 can be written as the square of 1. So if we add all these numbers we get 17. So C is the correct answer. Now let's check the next question. In the next question we have some letters written in a matrix form. Okay, there are 3 columns and 3 rows, and we have to find the last number in the last column. Okay, so first of all we convert all these letters into their positional numbers to find the perfect pattern in the inherent in this matrix. So first of all, in the first row we have EGI. In the second row we have RUX, and in the last row we have J and N. We need to find the third one. So the number corresponding to E is 5, the number corresponding to G is 7, the number corresponding to I is 9. Now 18 is R, 21 is U, 24 is X, J is 10 and N is 40. Now as we can see, if we add 2 to each of the number in the first row, we get the next one. If we add 3 in the numbers to row 2, we get the corresponding next numbers. Now if we add 4 with 10, we get 14 in the last row. Therefore, if we add 4 with 14, we get our required number, which is 18. Now the letter corresponding to 18 is R. Therefore, B is the correct answer. So we have solved 2 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about general intelligence, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in this contact numbers 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sarvasasclasses.com. Thank you very much.